Hey, today I will be trying out some alt e-girl makeup. Well, here's the thing. There's like a debate going on whether a certain makeup is e-girl or alt. And I'll discuss that more, but we're just gonna go for this. And hopefully, if you are part of the alt community, you can help me out.
I'm a motherfucking city girl.
So let's get into it. Hopefully it looks okay. Here's the result. I actually compiled a list. Embarrassing, oh my god. It's just that this look can go so many ways and I don't know what I'm capable of. So let's go through my list. I'm gonna use lots of pink blush.
A half pink, half black brow situation. And I'm gonna do a fat wing and some spikes. Gonna do some nose contour, but also make it pink. Faux freckles. Lots of highlighter. As for the lips, I don't know. That's just going to be a spur of the moment type thing.
Let's just start with the base. I'm going in with Poreless Putty Primer. And then, of course, concealer, foundation. All of that. That's going to be pretty normal. Nothing crazy. So, y'all don't need to see it. I'm just going to show you like the nose contour because all the videos I've watched, they all contour their nose like this. I hope I'm doing it right. It looks a little wackadoodle daisy. I'm just gonna use my finger though to blend it out. And I also want to use a brush to try to blend it out. Also, yes, I put my hair back because I don't want my bangs, well, they're a different breed of bangs, but I don't want them getting in the way because they always do. I had bangs, like bangs, like not too long ago. It was 2 years ago. Never mind. It was long ago. But ever since then, I've had like semi-bangs. I don't know. I just have never had like them like actual bangs since then. I mean, I would dig them again, but
I'm cool with my whatever these are.
I think this is okay. Right? Tell me it's okay. So I'm just going to set the whole face with powder. Let's get into the discussion of what alt actually is. Basically, when I was doing my research, yes, I did research. All the comment sections, there were a bunch of fights. And I didn't get involved like I typically do. But they were all saying something about gatekeeping. Oh my god, how
Uncultured am I?
But they were all like getting mad at each other because I guess a lot of the makeup looks included in the compilations were e-girl, not really alt. And basically what I gathered is that alt is not only the makeup and the style, it's like also the music and it's like a genre? I don't want to say that, I don't know. But basically, oh, and ideology.
What does that even mean?
Is that like religion? And on the other hand, e-girls are just about the looks. They don't actually care about alternative stuff. They just want the look, which I guess you can say I'm doing that right now.
I'm part of the problem too.
But I think I'm the opposite. I don't do the look, but I do the style. Not the style as in fashion, the style as in like music and shows and stuff. Because I consider my music to be kind of alt. I mean, we got The Garden, oh my god, Times, Jasmine Bean.
Love them.
If you don't listen to Jasmine Bean, what are you doing with your life? You must have a sad life. Mitski, Queen Mitski, of course. I just got into Shy Girl. That's not really alt, but stan Shy Girl right now. Go.
Leave this video and listen to some Shy Girl right now. Do it.
Yes, ma'am. Things are gonna get wild because we are doing blush. And I used the wrong brush. Ooh, that rhymed. It's gonna be okay though. Okay, maybe it's not. As if I don't already look like this 24/7. I can see why there's the difference between e-girl and alt-girl, but I don't see why there's all the fuss about it. Like, sure, you can go ahead and tell somebody, oh, there's a difference. Educate them, I guess. But don't go getting mad. No reason to get mad over that. Get mad over real stuff. Stuff that you should be mad about. But this, hun, it's not that big a deal. You wanna know what is a big deal? How terribly this is going. So this may or may not have turned into a clown tutorial. And to make it worse, I'm gonna add more blush. Oh my god, and I even basically deleted my entire nose contour. It went Control Z. Oh, this is sad. We're going on to brows now. And I'm gonna conceal the first little bit of my brow. Cause I wanna make it like the rest of my face. Pink. Same pink I slathered all over my face and attempt to make it as pigmented on my brow. Oh! It's working. Wow. Kinda cute, kinda clowny. In true alt fashion, I will be filling in the rest of my eyebrows with some black eyeliner, as if there's any other way. I either always want my brows to be extremely dark or extremely blonde, but I don't really feel like bleaching them. I don't like the way bleach feels. I'm super hyper aware of things, especially sensation wise. Something's up with my nerves. I have literal nerve damage, so that might be it. Charcoal affects me, drawing charcoal. And for what? Why? Ooh, it's a party. Damn, so we're already on the eyes. This is going by kind of fast. I am going for a predominantly pink look, but I'll throw in some wine colored eyeshadow. I feel it in my lungs. I apologize for my lack of makeup skills. Thought I would be better by now, but I am going to take the dark pink. I don't know what color it is. A red wine. It's not even red. Red wine. Of course, I have to go under my eye. Duh. How do people do this? I think I'll add a little bit of shimmer. I don't know if that's truly alt. How do I not recall all those videos I watched during class? I truly am an old man. I mean, oh, it's pretty. No wonder. My brother always gravitates towards this. Ooh, it's shiny. Wow. Why am I so amazed? Oh, and it's soft. It feels like a nice pillow. Ooh, this makes me so happy. I understand y'all might think I'm crazy, but I am going in with more pink on my face.
Because
I think this is too orangey and it doesn't match with the eyeshadow, so. This is truly upsetting. I hope it doesn't translate as bad on camera as it looks in person. This feels like when you mess up on a painting and unfortunately there's no Control Z to save your life. Hopefully some highlighter will make it better. So moving on, I'm going to get started on the eyeliner, which I pray does not fail because I have failed one too many times and mentally I can't take that. I'm so shaky right now because I had this drink with way too much caffeine. And also I'm hungry, so don't mind me if I start.
Bruh.
Honestly, it's not as bad as it seems. If I look at you, it's fine. right? I mean, if I do this, obviously it looks...
really fucking tacky.
I want to add some spikes. God, can it stop being so shaky, please?
Oh my god.
I have to do the same thing on the other eye. So, this one is quite thicker than the first one. BRB. Now that is semi-fixed. I am loving it, to say the least. I think it's really cute. It's got some jasmine bean vibes, and all that's left is highlighter and lips.
Also, I just remembered I forgot the freckles, but
Not really feeling it, so we're gonna leave those boys out. Y'all bitches let me forget the mascara.
Once again.
How many times can I let that happen? Now that that's out of the way, we'll finally get to the highlighter. Luckily, I'm able to use tons of highlighter. Okay, maybe I used too much. Whatever. And lastly, on my inner eye-ish. Should have done that first. Unfortunately, we are now onto lips, and I still haven't a clue what I'm gonna do. Do y'all think it would be gross if I used black eyeliner? Because I'm gonna. I want to go for like a smeared out look, I guess. Now I am adding a bit of pink highlighter because I added it to my lips and it looks fabulous. So,
gotta utilize it elsewhere.
really, this is kind of clownish.
I look like a clown!
But clown makeup, or slightly clown makeup, falls into the alt category. So, it's all good. This is the final look. I hope it does the alt community justice. I'm really happy with it. I like the way it turned out. I'll probably recreate this someday, maybe play around with colors. I think this could look really cool with a blue or a purple. I just don't have those colors. Purple would look super cute, or even red. But once again, I really only have pink to work with. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it to the end, I love you. Stay tuned for more. My birthday is next week, so I will be doing a birthday themed video, a birthday transformation perhaps, and a bunch of birthday festivities while in quarantine. So if you're into that, subscribe. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you all are doing well. Bye.